ही एक परंपरा, this lovely tradition we have kept going for several years. In Goa, all festivals people love to celebrate, and one such lovely festival is the Carnival. सगळे लोक एकठांय येवन म्हणजे मजा करता. It is just before the Lent period when you have to actually sacrifice in many ways, including what you eat for those who believe in that. And it is actually good for health, but at the same time making merry also is good for health. Carnival is all about celebrating, forgetting everything. And I have my colleague Mr. Daji Salkar, MLA of Vasco and also the SPGDA chairman. It is in his constituency every year we start the floats and we flag them off. But what is most important is you see all the councillors led by the Carnival, their Carnival committee president Angelo Nunes, along with all his colleagues. You see smiles on their faces because they love celebrating Carnival. Vasco has been traditionally celebrating each and every festival. People are so kind to each other, the generous nature, the joy, the vivre, what you see in the people here, I think that is what you see everywhere in Goa. So Viva Carnival, long live Carnival.
आज गोंयांतलो हो कार्निवल आसा. गेले 4 दीस म्हाका दिसता गोंयभर आज आमी एन्जॉय करता. आमी एकसारात सदांच राविल्ले आसा आनी आज तुमी हांगा पळोवपाक गेले जाल्यार सगळे लोक हांगा गोंयांतलेच न्ही जाल्यार देशभरांतले देशाचे भायले पसून लोक येवन आज कार्निवल हांगा मनयतात. कार्निवल हो आमचे नॅशनल मॅपार घालपाचें एक फेस्टिवल आसा आनी ह्या फेस्टिवलाक म्हाका दिसता सगळे लोक आमी हिंदू जावं क्रिस्तांव जावं मुस्लीम जावं मोठ्या संख्येन आमी ह्या कार्निवलान पार्टिसिपेट करता आनी त्या खातीर आज खूब बरें दिसता. आतां हाजे फ्लॅग ऑफ जातले आनी खुबश्यो फ्लोट्स म्हाका दिसता ह्या वर्सा खुबशे फ्लोट्स आमी नवीन पळयल्ले आसा. खातीर सगळ्यांक हांव शुभेच्छा दिता. देव बरें.
The third day today running and the fourth day today we are having a grand Carnival float parade route. We are having about roughly about 50 floats coming up in the line. We have a king, queen, Viva Joshua, and we have the king, Mr. Viva. Viva Carnival, Viva Vasco. Okay, smile, look here.
Record, character, good and sound physique are enrolled as traffic wardens. They are also involved in educational drives launched by traffic police from time to time.
नजरें सिग्नल पे रख लो, सिग्नल का पालन कर लो।